Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to fix a Lexus dashboard. Many Lexus owners experience common dashboard issues such as cracking, melting, or becoming sticky over time. These problems often arise due to prolonged sun exposure and material degradation. We will explore several effective methods to restore your dashboard's appearance and functionality, ranging from simple do-it-yourself fixes to more comprehensive solutions. Let's get started on making your interior look great again. The primary culprit behind many Lexus dashboard woes is consistent exposure to the sun's ultraviolet rays and extreme heat. Over time, these elements break down the plastic and vinyl materials, leading to unsightly cracks, especially near the windshield. Furthermore, the dashboard can become noticeably sticky or even melt slightly, creating an unpleasant texture. This degradation also causes significant fading and discoloration, making your car's interior look aged and worn. For those looking for do-it-yourself options, several effective solutions exist. A custom-fit dashboard cover is an excellent way to hide existing damage and prevent future issues, often costing around $100 to $200. For minor cracks, a dashboard repair kit can fill and blend imperfections, typically priced between $20 and $50. Additionally, using specific automotive interior cleaners can help remove that persistent sticky residue, restoring a smooth finish. If do-it-yourself methods aren't enough, professional services offer more extensive repairs. Automotive interior specialists can perform full dashboard restoration, which involves resurfacing and repainting, often costing several $100s. The most comprehensive solution is a complete dashboard replacement, which can range from $1,000 to $2,000 or more. To prevent future damage, consistently use a good quality sunshade and apply ultraviolet protectant sprays every few months.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.